Last year, my digital product business made over $100,000 in passive income, and this year my goal is to 10x my business and hit 100K per month. Business is a progression of self-improvement because self-improvement is solving your own problems and business is solving other people's problems. A clear example of this is my LifeOS dashboard, which is a system I built for myself to solve my own problems, and then I turned it into a digital product helping others solve those exact same problems. I started sharing my self-improvement systems and tools as digital products here on YouTube, and that helped me build an audience of 50,000 subscribers, generate over 100,000 organic leads, and convert them into customers and clients. As I continued to grow my business, I encountered new problems, which led me to build new systems and tools, but this time it was for my business. These tools are helping me to remove myself from operations, optimize my workflows, and automate key processes in order to free up more time so I can work on my business instead of in my business. And as a result of growing my business, I've gathered a lot of knowledge, experience, and tools that can genuinely help you and your business save time, money, energy, and just the headache that comes with trying to figure everything out yourself. That's why I feel a moral obligation to share these tools with you in order to help your business grow, which is exactly what I'm going to do in 2025. And here's how I plan to do it. Number 1, systemization agency. The first key step is by building a business that relies on systems and not people, meaning the systems run the business and people run the systems. And systems aren't something you put into the business, it's what you get from defining the process of the business. This year my focus is on my systemization agency, where we help business owners scale with systems instead of problems. As I continue to systemize my own business and the businesses of my clients, I will share the systems I'm building along the way. Number 2, digital products. I don't create content to get paid, I get paid to create content. These systems that my clients pay me to build for their business will end up becoming digital products, which will earn passive income and also attract more clients. So basically the content I create and the products I build will be a byproduct of the work we do and the businesses we help systemize. So what I'm doing is I'm helping businesses solve problems, systemizing the solution and selling it as a digital product. Number 3, creating my niche. You don't find a niche, you create it. The content and products you create determines the quality of the audience and customers you attract. I will not tailor myself to a niche, I will tailor the niche to myself. I will not be a slave to the algorithm, my audience, or any YouTube metrics. My content won't have any fancy editing, retention hacks, or me doing anything silly for views. I only create the content that I want to create, and if people don't like it, they can unsubscribe because they were never going to become clients in the first place. Number 4, personal brand. We're living in an era where trust is scarce. Skepticism is at an all-time high and trust is at an all-time low. We're currently in a trust recession. People don't buy coaching programs anymore, they buy coaches. People don't buy products anymore, they buy brands. Which is why the content I create will be more intentional, authentic, vulnerable, and raw, with the purpose of building trust by being myself. And the goal of my personal brand is to document my journey and show you the truth and realness behind being a creator and building a business without becoming a Dubai influencer who makes money by selling you how to make money, or a digital nomad traveling the world even though they're broke because they're just creating content and not building an actual business. My goal with my personal brand is to lead by example, be authentic, and share the tools and systems that's helping me along the way. This video is how I combat my imposter syndrome and make progress towards becoming the type of person that makes 100K per month, because that's the goal. The goal isn't the money, it's the person you become through the process of creating the path to your goal. And this is exactly what I'll be sharing in my daily newsletter. Number 5, my new daily newsletter. In my new newsletter, I will send out daily emails updating you on my journey, developing new ideas, sharing the tools I use, and also how these tools are helping my clients. The goal is to help you scale your business with systems, grow and monetize your audience with digital products, and build a personal brand. You can join my new daily newsletters through the first link in the description. And that's the plan. But last year taught me that if you build without boundaries, you will quickly learn about burnout. So here are the 3 rules that I'm setting for myself. Rule number 1, no free stuff. Just like most other business owners, I value my time, energy, and attention and try to protect it at all costs. So I won't be giving anyone access to me unless they are a customer or a client. I only give my time to people who pay because it's an energy exchange. Burnout happens when you give too much and receive too little because you can't pour from an empty cup. I've spent well over 10,000 hours in Notion over the past 3 years, and I've helped over 50 clients build systems for their business. There are less Notion consultants in the world than there are lawyers or doctors, and among these few Notion consultants, there's only one of me. So I know my value and I'm only working with clients who notice it as well. Number 2, limited spots. With unlimited scale comes unlimited stress. I have capacity to take on a certain number of clients every quarter, and once the spots are filled, I won't be accepting any more clients. Prices will also increase with every intake. And I will not accept any maybes. It's either a yes or a next. If someone is a maybe, I'd rather focus my time and energy on finding a yes. Number 3, consistency. Consistency creates competence, and competence creates confidence. I will aim to launch a new digital product every month, create a YouTube video every week, and write an email every single day. And everything I create will generally help you in your own life and business. I'm not here for likes, views, subscribers, or to give you some quick dopamine hits. I'm not an entertainer, I'm an educator. I'm not going to distract you, I'm going to solve your problems. The goal here is to create, because I found that as soon as I stop creating anything new, I start to regress and feel like I'm not making any progress in my life or business, even if everything around me is perfect. Because fulfillment comes from creating what you see is missing in the world. And as Picasso said, the meaning of life is to find your gift, and the purpose of life is to give it away. So that's it. That's my plan for 2025 and the boundaries I'm setting for myself and my business. All that's left is to execute. I'll update you as I go and share my knowledge and tools in my daily newsletter, which you can subscribe to through the first link in the description. I'll see you inside.